Okay, today we're going to learn about prepositions and prepositional phrases. Prepositions are small words. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. For example, can you make a fish kite with green paper? With is the preposition. There are different types of prepositions, different ways that we use prepositions. One way is to show location. Above, over, under, below, beneath. Beside, next to, by, near. In front of, in back of, behind. Between, in, out, inside, outside, on, off. Prepositions can show location. Prepositions can show where the noun is. Where. Prepositions can also show direction. Up, down, through, across, around, into. Prepositions can show location, direction. They can also show time. When are you going to have lunch? When? Or when are you going to clean your room? Before lunch, during lunch, after lunch, until lunch. So these are prepositions that show when, the time. When did it happen? In 2003. When? In September. On what date? On September 16. So this helps show us exactly when. When? At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. From noon until 3 p.m. So these words are prepositions. The small words that help us explain location, direction, time, and other uses such as connecting ideas. We use these words about, against, along, among, at, except, for, from, of, to, with, without. There are more prepositions than are on this list. This gives you an example of what prepositions are and how we use them. Now, prepositions make our writing better. They help us add details to our writing. I will decorate my kite with what? I will decorate my kite with red dots. So this is a more interesting sentence. Now let's look at these directions. The information in these prepositional phrases helps the reader put the kite together correctly. So in giving directions, okay, fold a piece of paper like this, a piece of tissue. Do not press the fold, then cut the paper in this shape. Unfold the paper. Add some glue in a straight line near the edge of the paper. Put a pipe cleaner by the glue and fold the paper over. Press it down. Without these prepositions, it would be impossible to do it the correct way. We need the prepositions to be clear in our directions. Turn the paper over and decorate the fish. Bend the pipe cleaner into a circle and twist the ends together. Glue the bottom edges of the fish together, but be sure to leave the tail end open. Tie a short string to the mouth like this, in case you want to make your own fish kite. Tie the short string to a long string. Tie the long string to a long pole. Then take your fish outside and fly it. Prepositions. Small words that are often in phrases that show location, direction, time, and other uses.